Introduce features. Interest for ACOPOWER 12v 50W solar charger, waterproof foldable camping solar panel kit, 5A charge controller with USB ports. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Why you choose ACOPOWER 12v 50W solar charger, waterproof foldable camping solar panel kit. Below are some reasons why you should choose. Highlight features or overview summary are include. ACOPOWER 50W monocrystalline portable solar charger is designed specifically for customers new to solar. When you're out enjoying the great outdoors, enjoy yet another perk, free limitless power. Simply spread out the solar panels or attach to your pack to start repowering your gadgets. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.